Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle front lights for your Motus Scooty Lite 10. So in order to do that, first of all we'll need to open and enable our Motus Scooty. Simply hold the finger on the power button until it powers on. So right now there's no lights in the front, and now to actually enable them we'll need to just simply double press on the button 2 times, like really fast. And as you can see, the light just toggled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.